Just to let you know, this is the orange 2026 Lamborghini, and I can't believe I have my hands on it. Well, I don't want to touch it too much, but let me tell you, I'm excited. And of course, I did drive this to the car show, the Dodge Challenger, but I did lose my keys and I did find them in the trunk. But let's just talk about this car show. Cars and coffee this weekend. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Did you miss it? Don't worry about it. I'll give you all the fun details, including the orange Lamborghini, my favorite car. The car show is absolutely fabulous, but this orange 2026 Lamborghini, it hits different. That classic burnt orange fire on the new hybrid is pure drama. Sharp lines, Y-shaped lights, and aggressive still turns every head at the car wash. Well, this is the owner. Sure enough, this is his third Lamborghini. Of course, he really wanted this orange. And we were talking about the paint. The paint was very different. The sparkles, you could almost see yourself like a mirror. And we were getting very close because you could absolutely see yourself. This is absolutely a gorgeous car to show up at the car wash. This was my favorite. Look at the sparkles. It's more than an orange car. But at the car show, you see what you see, and you're like, well, what is this? Ferrari? I think I'll stick with the Lamborghini this weekend. The color really did have a beautiful pop. And it's a 2026. Fresh off the showroom parking lot, this Lamborghini absolutely is gorgeous. And you should see the inside, the detail, the structure, the design, the stitch. Every single detail of this Lamborghini was fabulous, including the mats, inside and out. Now, this is the car that I am interested in 2026. This car smells delicious. It smells absolutely brand new. Let me pronounce the car, or let me spell it for you just to be clear. Urus. The one that made Lamborghini a daily driver supercar. This is for your everyday, whether you're going to Target or you're going to Neiman Marcus. Still pure Italian drama. You know you need the drama if you're driving an orange car. Just with 4 seats and the ability to clear speed bumps without the drama. If you want to ride and you want to get to your destination, this is the car. And you can take your dogs with you. If you have 1 dog or 2, this is an everyday car. This is the latest. This is a 2026 URUS, the current plug-in hybrid. Do you want to feel it? Now see this orange Audi? Completely different. It doesn't look like the other orange. This Ferrari, it's okay. It's a poppin' red. What about this blue? Yeah, it's all right. The white, not my favorite car. Now this right here is a little bit different. This used to be a fire truck. Long time ago, this was a fire truck that would come out and help the people. No, not King Kong. No, not Ghostbusters. This was the fire truck, and with a little bit of, should I say, put special personal touches on it, it became the Seagrave, right? It's a cute car, and I love the color. I definitely love the gray. You don't see as much as the dirt as some cars pick up, like the white car or a black car. I know I'm off the subject, but this is what you would see at the car show. This so happens to be one of my favorite. I was like, I can't believe this used to be a fire truck, and it looks so good. Absolutely a gorgeous car. And this gentleman, or should I say truck, this gentleman has a bumper car, he has a boat, he has a few other things, a huge bug. His cars are the best. Like when he shows up at the car show, Everything about his car is original or different. I really like the car shows. If you stay like about from 8 to 10, that is a good walk around. You get your exercise in and you get to see things that are not always on your everyday road. So I really like that part. Also, I know I'm talking off subject, but if you look up Supercar Kids, there's a kid who's teaching you about cars using the alphabet. A for this car, B for that. I think that is so cool. And he has stickers. So that's a great way. If you want your grandkids or you just want kids in general to learn about cars, you can do it with ABCs. Okay, back to the subject at hand. This truck was really interested and I see a truck next to it, but for some reason this truck, the way it looks, it almost looks like a Rolls Royce. But back to the subject at hand, because we are talking about this sharp looking car. Now the Ferraris are great. The blue is okay. It's okay. The Ferraris are cute. You know, everybody wants to see a red car, maybe a yellow car. I think they're cute. But I'm so happy that the Lamborghini decided to do a different color and, you know, changes up a little bit. Like blue car, it's coming. It's a nice blue day. And sometimes you can see a purple car. They look kind of cute, fabulous, and fun. But every now and then you need a car with a little bit of what? Drama. So when I saw the Lamborghini, I was like, that's the only car on this lot that I think is absolutely fabulous. I guess this is a red car, a Corvette. I guess it's all right. I'm just pretty interested in the orange. Now, this is a Lamborghini, but this is a completely different version. This is not your everyday drive-in Lamborghini. Maybe you can just go with your buddies that has Lamborghinis, but the everyday, the 2026 Lamborghini, the current plug-in hybrid, that is the one that you should drive. It is spelled Urus. Look at this. This is so fabulous. I like the orange on this Lamborghini, and I look both at the paint job, completely different. The 2026, you can absolutely see yourself. Every single thing is like looking at a mirror. Completely different orange. Anyway, I just wanted to share. I was at the car show and of course, the Lamborghini was there with me. And this is a beautiful young lady I saw. And I thought, yes, see, you can go to the car show absolutely by yourself and have a fabulous time. You don't need anybody. It is called Cars and Coffee because it's only 2 hours, but you can show up around like 6:30, 7 o'clock, and then it's over by 10. Everybody is cleared out of the parking lot, a little bit, about 10:15. But you get to fellowship. If you need to have a donut, you can. But this was absolutely a gorgeous Lamborghini. Same color, but quite different. Different year, different build. And of course, the 2026, the brand new one, was absolutely my favorite. But as you can see, even the inside detail was not as good as the brand new 2026. So yes, I'm sure it only had a few little, you know, cutesy wootsies, but I prefer the orange Lamborghini because look inside the details. I mean, you can get somebody in the back seat. You can pick up the kids. You can let the dogs run through here. Who knows? You can change a diaper, right? Anyway, this was absolutely fabulous. My favorite Lamborghini. This is my friend. And like I said, he has a few Lamborghinis, so he decided to do the brakes each color. And I was able to open the door, get inside and out, and you don't even have to slam the car. When you open up the door and you close it closes itself. Like it clicks like click, click. This is one of my favorites now. The Lamborghini. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think about it? Okay, the car is not expensive. It's really not. If you can afford like $300,000, you got the car. If you want extra special like details or something that you want on it, maybe you'll spend $400K. But you can get this out the door under $300,000. The real world pricing. Once you add the common options, special painting, the carbon package, the wheels, interior upgrades, and some of the dealer adjustments, actual transaction pricings typically land you between 300. Okay? You can afford it. And this car is absolutely beautiful. And I think it's a great car. What do you think? It's a plug-in hybrid. Why not? It's a Lamborghini. If you need to go to the gym, you can just show up in this. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me give you some fun facts. Number one, it's an all-wheel drive. The transmission, 8-speed automatic. Top speed, you can go 194 miles per hour. How you like that? Now that's what I'm talking about. The engine, 4.0 liter twin turbo V8. How you like that? And it has an electric motor. This is what I'm talking about. This young lady right here, you just drive up in your own car, in your own color, sip on your coffee, bring your umbrella if the sun is too much, and enjoy your day. This is what I'm talking about. And it's free. And if you get there early, you can walk around, get your little workout on. Absolutely. That's what I was doing, wearing my vest, my workout vest. So I was just absolutely, completely enjoying myself. The car show is so fun. It's near the beach. You don't need anybody. You can just simply show up, look at the cars, get to understand the colors. You don't have to own it. This lady showed up, or this gentleman showed up in a different car, brought his own umbrella. Get to meet people, fellowship, and you go home. Now, if you're not interested in buying that Lamborghini, I completely understand, because I cannot afford that. I absolutely can barely afford my RAV4. There's no way I'm about to get this Lamborghini. But if you want some drama in your life, if you want to stand out, if you want everybody to know that you are driving the best car, this is it right here. Are you ready? I think you like it. It can seat up to like 5 people, right? Your driver. I think this is beautiful. And I think it'll be easy to clean yourself. You don't need to take it to the car wash. You can take it to the self-car wash and just rinse it off. I think this car is absolutely fabulous. What are you thinking? Do you think you want to go shopping? If you don't want to go shopping, then just simply show up to the car show, bring a cup of coffee, walk around, open up the door, and get in and go for a ride. How you like that? That's how you do it at the car show.